How do I remove a SIM card from my phone?
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of removing a SIM card from your phone.
What is a SIM card?
A SIM card, subscriber identity module, is a small removable chip that stores your phone's unique identification number, along with other data like contacts and text messages. It allows your phone to connect to a cellular network.
What tools will I need?
Before you start, make sure you have the following items: your phone, a SIM card ejector tool, or a small paperclip.
How do I locate the SIM card slot on my phone?
The SIM card slot is usually located on the side or top of your phone. On some older models, it might be under the battery. Look for a small hole next to a tiny tray that houses the SIM card.
How do I eject the SIM card tray?
1. Power off your phone. 2. Insert the SIM card ejector tool or straightened paperclip into the hole. 3. Apply gentle pressure until the SIM card tray pops out slightly. 4. Carefully pull out the tray and make sure not to lose the SIM card.
How do I remove the SIM card from the tray?
Once you have the tray out, you can gently lift the SIM card from its slot. Be careful not to damage the SIM card or the tray.
How do I reinsert the SIM card tray?
To reinsert the tray, make sure it's empty and properly aligned with the slot on your phone. Gently push it back in until it clicks into place. In this video, we've covered how to safely remove a SIM card from your phone using a SIM card ejector tool or a paperclip. Remember to be gentle and patient during the process to avoid damaging your device.